Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so meeting ede Addo searchi and then the day the kind of day ehwe me a mesre wona wa subscribe to my channel. We are now doing sa emia be on so we be a notification and sa ni news ede betun bia we be biati anase we be bia hwe e GCN page ha Sompa FM ewo Kumase na omo political talk show bia watudi ade ache bia na ewade ache bia dwumedie so no oman hene yaw edubuache na host program no oni na bedwafo every morning bia omo ye discussion efa ensema ekoso ewo man Ghana mu omo kire omo adwen kire Ghana fo mpenfo eka ensem kire omo se na ebe ya omo bete na omo ayede aboa oman Ghana na ewade ache bia dwumedie so no omo ye discussion efa eye Oman Penidada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in Sambia omoye no interview omubisa no questions now no so de sa answers no eba outer trend e wo Ghana hanom ensema Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama kan no NPP communicators omo abe react to it NDC communicators and so omo de omo reaction aba Ghana fu bebre so de omo reaction aba afa eye ensema Oman Penidada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama omoye no interview ewo TV3 questions omubisa no na ono so answers o provide na ewade ache bia dwumedie so na bedwafo no mo ekire se Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama o se eye His Excellency na Addo Akufo deny as ex-president omo nye wasede emma as Oman Penidada na sa ensema o kan no Opese Ghana for ye Crucify eye His Excellency na Addo Akufo opese ye kobono ana ye kwhye ana se opese na Addo Ghana for ye ne den opese ye bono enti na wo ka asensem na ana se owie no e no bosan so e ka se se His Excellency na Addo Akufo ensem a eye Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama e ka se monye ma no se yampa dia ene na Oman Penny unso oba be ye ex-president na obi aye wo sa na wonso obi wo ye ex-president na obi treat wo sa be ye wo da na enti asema Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama e ka no se eye no kware amujai na se enye no kware ene Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama so e ka dia ene na Oman Penidada nso ni hu ye hu pa na adofo de kofa ensem we nyina e bai ene se abronye a oye bono regional chairman ebe make allegations bi bitia Oman Penidada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say 2013 omutu esike bi edemand 14 million Ghana cedis bi eko Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama na counting ene or the ensem bebre eba out na abronya de esa ensem no eba no NDC communicators ba out ebe ka said abronye eka no enya dia ewom NPP phone so bi be ka say enya dia ewom na eno na Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama omo ye no interview ewo TV3 na omo ebisa ne say abronye a oye bono regional chairman de ensem bi ebetu dwa efa ho a Ghana fo bebre agidi na ende wenya akwanye yiwano ensem na ye no kware anase enye no kware na no na Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama ekire say ne edikan 2013 omo entu esike bia eye 14 million Ghana cedis bia amfa ma na NPP formal esike bia etisa na emom 2013 esike omo tuama no eye 230,000 cedis eye onankasa ne salary a omo tua edema no apart from eno no onankasa na auto ne fuel ne light bill ona notia water bill ona notia otu kwanya ne ticket onankasa na auto wa rent dan ode ye ne office onankasa notia ka na dia na Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama ne kase mu no na okire se nipa na oye ne interview no wo mu wie kura ode evidence betre no na we hu sasema oka no eyampa anase enyampa na ensema Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama ekan na NPP force no Oman Penidada John Dramani Mahama denti na wo yesa ensema wo kin na enye no kware utu kwanya enye wo na wo to ticket ye to ma ye say ye ma obi ye ma wo sika ye de ma as ex-president ka say ye to ma every 4 years bia no ye to e de ma nti adenti na wo be ka che Ghana for as if say His Excellency na Addo Akufo Chese onye wasede ma as ex-president na den sem no mampenda da woka no omo the evidence chese omo tue sika de ma mampenda da John Dramani Mahama ina beto out aye bi mo eka se oh MPP for mo anya de so mampenda da kasa akwan yes some de evidence eba out because oyo mampenda da na oyo state man enti eba ne sa security wise no enye se nka mo de ense mi sa beto dwa na MPP for so se hwe o mampenda da John Dramani Mahama o hasa no wansuo na wunyi nche nti ese almost provide the evidence and ebe ya Ghana for ebe jedi nti nsema o manpani dada John Dramani Mahama eka no enye no kware na do fie nti nsema o manpani dada John Dramani Mahama editu dwa enam so a Ghana for edi omo reaction eba na say NPP communicators ni bi nso omo de omo reaction no eba nti nsema kakra.
My 2013 bank statement, I'll let you look through and see if there's any 14 million payment. The only payment that was made to me by government Accountant General was my salary arrears of 230,000 cedis. That's all. In 2013. I'll show you that bank statement.
No ex gratia or...
No ex gratia. I was paid 230,000 as salary arrears in 2013. I'll show it to you first. And later, if you want, we can call a group of you journalists. Of course, I don't want to publish my bank statement, but I can put it before you and you look through all the payments and see if there's a 14 million CD payment. I didn't receive any such payment. And he also says that I receive privileges and perks since I left office in 2017 worth 15 million CDs. That is absolutely untrue. I receive only my monthly pension, like President Akufo, President Rawlings was receiving until he died. That's all I get. I pay the electricity bill for my house and my office. I pay the water bill for my house and my office. I live in my own accommodation, so the state does not pay me anything for accommodation. They haven't given me an office. I rent an office in East Cantonments. I pay the rent myself. I pay my own fuel. The state doesn't give me fuel. I pay my own domestic staff. I pay my own medical bills. I pay my own air tickets when I travel. You know, I'm traveling tonight. I bought those tickets myself, for myself and my wife. And so all those things he said are rubbish. Yes, somebody gave him what we're entitled to. And probably they're doing it for President Akufo, but they are not doing it for me.
So there was some arrangement as to what...
It was approved in Parliament. Normally when you leave, yes, they approve what should be done for you.
You are not being...
It's not being done. It's not being done for me.
Why?
I don't get electricity, I don't get water, I don't get medical.
Why exactly?
Addo na yatin sema o manpani dada John Dramani Mahama ekan nsem kan ni mu no o kire se ex gratia kra enya de omo atuade ama no ene nsem bebri na yati na eno na reactions bebri aba na sompa FM discussion omo ye no omo kire se o manpani dada John Dramani Mahama nsem a wokin aha o pese Ghana fo ye bo nanando ana sesen yenti nsem a omo de etudwa.
All right, oyini na wa no esisu a wo kasa.
Edi enti na beba se mampani bia ye na dwuma wie nanka na kwankwaja na ne bambo ho nsam yemfa megu ayiso abroche fo sere ase wo man no yenim ne yeye na yede ne koduru ha ada ne etua sika ma wo wonim se wutua sika no ti na ye me nwanwa se me de menyi ni se papa ma ama o kansa na o kansa dia ehu ada na miya minim se disika ma me na miya mi sa be gina o se nya no kore enkrata nyina ne de ababontin e chese ye etua ya ye de ma wo na wo se ye mfa ma meti na na mebusa se o man ye free mframa mu no ye betimi a chiro krata o bia na nkoduru ni ho eno so ye 1 point
so I don't know idea was Mutari Bawa so I'm told that he's on one of the stations in Accra.
Say ye tuesi kama opana panimu a wodi mampani pa opesa wo san ba biem beka say ye mfa ma me which na nyu aba so adenti na wo kasa adwen no ne sen wo pesa Ghana fo ye nya den ye nkwa buraku Addo ye mfa birisi nhye no ye nkasa wa ye den na sete sanso a na nato ene ye nka den because wo so beba wo baba be ye mampani dada wo enti se ye mampani mama na wo so nkedi bi be ye wo ade no be yi nani ato nchen so obedi bone sa ye kai se mampani Akufo do mu di bi ye no but ye beka se no di ntwam nko jeje no mu di bi ye mampani Akufo ya sabi me kan ne wo ya kani a na wo mini mu ya wo ya se ye jojo papa ne sa eye de ye na de atwam na na do ba ye jeje de menyi ni se wantua ama no man
watua bibia
watua ti di enko na beba nti wo be mampani dada ma ama sa etimi de o man say de kwabra kese ka me de menteme ho ase but say te sad ya ma me dress muntari power ka o mo ho aye me nwanwa say wonim say yatua mo ka na mo saka say na ashawa de no ye beba ho na ye kwa no
na ye be di nkomo ma me nte akosia Mami nti akosia okay akosia nyama ya mami nti otia wana
former president Mahama Nkomo ye na oka say